Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your Microsoft Teams app and then go to Home. After that, you can see at the top, this is your profile picture right now. To change this one, what you're going to do is to tap on this picture. And then you can see right here, this is your profile. Now just tap on that again. And it will then direct you to this page where you can edit this image. Now just tap on that edit image. You can choose from your photo library or you can choose to take a picture. Just tap on camera if you want to do that. Now choose any photo or image that you want to use. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.